Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to do a straight pour over this journal cover. This it's actually a journal. It's already been gessoed, and it's a blank book. I got it a while ago, and I've just been putting off painting it because I didn't know what I wanted to do. But I think I'm just going to go ahead and do a straight pour on it. And since it's got that binding, I know the paint's going to move more than I would like for it to. And I'm going to do my best to lay it down on some blocks and just kind of see where it goes from there. But first I want to layer my cups. I still need to put silicone in all the cups. I will not put it in the white. I am using these colors. These three are metallic, so the silver, the purple, and the magenta are metallics. And I was out of purple, so I made this purple out of magenta and ultramarine blue. And then I have a couple of other blues because I wanted to mix it all up. It's funny how I didn't have any purple, but that's okay. It's still going to have a lot of purple in it. So I'm just going to hopefully only put a couple of drops in each. Oops, that blue got way more than I needed. So today my pouring medium is 50% Liquitex Pouring Medium and 50% Floetrol. I wanted to see how that came out because I like the clarity of the cells and the color definition between them with the Liquitex, but I like the matte finish of the Floetrol, and it also tends to dry a little thinner, so it's not quite as thick on top as the Liquitex is. So I'm going to, and the metallic paints, I haven't used them a whole lot, but they're a little heavier than a lot of other paints. So, but these are the Deco Art Craft ones, so they should be all right. But they won't cooperate the same as everything else. So you just got to be happy with that because it is what it is. Okay, I did not put any in the white. So I'm going to try to do 2 layers in this cup, but we'll see. This one might be a little thick. I thought I thinned it out. It's just a little book, but that's not quite half. And remember, when you mix colors across from each other on the color wheel, they can get muddy. So I may have a little bit of that here, but we will see what it comes up with. I really just needed a notepad for work that spoke my name a little more than generic office supplies, so I don't mind experimenting on myself. Now some of these metallics are just going to sink to the bottom of this cup because that's what it's going to do best. Some of these are not, they're definitely not the same weight, but as you start doing this, you start kind of getting the feel of which paints, how they each behave. And it kind of depends on the type of pigments too. If it's a metallic, or an old style pigment, or if it's a contemporary pigment, they behave differently too. I'm still learning about all that stuff, so So this is going to be a fun experiment. Looks like I had a little bit more white. That's fine. All right. I'm just setting this on some packing material I had and a couple of 2x4 chunks. I think what I'm going to do is pour it, and maybe I'll see if I can move those out of the way so that nothing sticks to it, but who knows, I might not get that far. So let me see if you're still in the frame. See, that looks kind of cool. So here we go. Too much paint. Let me torch that real quick before it all rolls off. Those blues. Okay, so the binding didn't do what I wanted it to do. Wasn't thinking too clearly here. I have an idea though. Ooh, but sitting there, it's turning out to be kind of cool. I think I'm gonna like this. I'm just covering the edges because when I tilt it, I kind of want it to move, and I don't want to accidentally tilt off more than I want to. So, try not to block you with my arm. Okay, let me try to tilt this a little more. It's not going to be perfect, but oh my goodness, I'm liking what my friend Mando suggested. He suggested I do some purple. Great idea, Mando. This is the first time I've done an actual book. I've made book covers from canvas where I made the book too. I bound the book myself. Okay, I didn't want that all that white to go off. I kind of liked that. What's really interesting though is you can kind of control a little bit of each side without affecting the other side way too much. You know, I said that, and then of course Then I made a liar out of myself. And I didn't tape off the inside of the book. I'm just now thinking about that, and should have done that. That would have be a good move for next time. But again, this is just for me. So I'm going to enjoy this because I like these colors. Well, I think I'm going to leave this pretty much as it is. I'm going to let this sit for a little bit, and then I will bring you in for a close-up in a little bit. So thank you for watching. This was fun. Ooh, but look at that. That looks really cool. Well, let me torch that again real quick before. And it's going to move, you guys. So I'm trying not to get too excited about it right now, because it's going to keep developing. Well, I'm back, and here it is 15 minutes later. The image probably shifted a little bit because I did need to, as you can see down here, I propped up the center a little bit on both sides because it's running off a little more. And I didn't want to lose too much of it. I wanted to see if I could keep it, from moving way too much. I'll bring you in for a close-up in a few more minutes so you can see how much more it's changed, because it just continues to change, and it's fascinating to me. Be right back. Well, here's a close-up. This is the side that I saw it from when I was working. And just want you to see the cells and the lacing in there. It's going to be curious to see how it dries, see how much more movement it makes. It's still running off right here, but that is pretty too, so I'll probably just be happy with it. Again, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more, and if you have any color combination suggestions or projects you'd like to see me do, let me know. Have a great day.